Hey guys, welcome back to Solar Sessions with Ben. This is Ben from Belmont Solar, and I'm Brandon. Today we're asking the question, is there anywhere that we can't install solar panels?
Okay. You can have it facing south, you can have it facing east or west, and they produce lots of power in any of those scenarios. You can even have it facing slightly north, and it's amazing how much power gets produced. You do not want it facing straight north on a steep slope, because then it drops off and it doesn't make the payback worth it. You certainly do not want it in shade, because that makes the production go way down to zero pretty quickly.
All right, so shade's a no-go, and north on a steep angle's a no-go. Everything else is pretty great.
Yes, and sometimes east and west, or west is much better than south even.
Thanks, Ben. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next time.